Yes, guys. So I'm sitting here again, looking at this beautiful, beautiful sunlight. This is my favorite spot. This is where I come most of the time to just sit right in the sun and suck up this prana. Have you ever thought about the energy and the great benefits you derive from the sun? Just come sit in the sun for a while and see what I'm talking about. Just absorb and observe the sun. So currently I'm sitting right before a huge body of water. Like you can see. See there? Lovely body of water. I'm by myself all the time, you know. I'm by myself all the time. I'm my own best friend. So I'm here with all these creatures diving. These birds are making melodies. And I'm just enjoying the beautiful sunlight against my face. The lovely rays of the sun penetrates my hair, my head, my scalp, my body, my skin. I'm not hiding any part of my body from the sun. Everything is exposed. We are children of the sun, so the sun ain't gonna damage you. The sun not, you can't, as a black person, the sun can't do nothing to you. With or without umbrella or sunglasses or a cap. You are strong and powerful without all of those. That's why you are created the way you do. To shine like the sun. Right, guys? So it's a beautiful, beautiful day. I love it. Awesome day, guys. Peace, peace, peace.